Hello, welcome to the Error Slayer YouTube channel. Today I will teach you how to convert AI text to human text. First, let's copy some content generated by Google Gemini as an example and analyze it using the AI Analyzer on the ZeroGPT website. Paste the AI-generated content into this section and click the Check for AI button. As you can see, the AI score came out at 79%. Next, click the Humanize text button. Your humanized AI content will appear in the section on the right. As you scroll down, you'll see that your new content has a lower AI score than your old content. If you wish, you can use other AI Analyzer applications or websites to check if it's working properly. Let's analyze the same content on this site as well. Let's see what percentage of AI we get. As you can see, this analyzer considered the content we humanized using ZeroGPT to be 0% AI, meaning it was entirely human-generated. But I must warn you that these types of text AI analyzers can be easily manipulated. Therefore, they are not 100% reliable, at least not yet. I hope this how to convert AI text to human text guide video has been helpful. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video if you wish. Have a good day.